The COVID-19 pandemic has now made thermal screening imperative in corporate buildings and various other public places. However, temperature screening using infrared thermometers has some serious issues. It is a manual, time-consuming exercise. It requires expensive capital investment with ongoing maintenance, and it will result in long serpentine queues. Moreover, what if someone develops a high temperature after she or he has entered any premises? How does one detect that? Presenting a practical, inexpensive and scalable solution for all the above problems. Neodot, a revolutionary, non-invasive, no-contact temperature patch. It is very simple in the way it works. Neodot comes in a small red round stick-on form, like a small red bindi or dot. It needs to be stuck on any visible part of the body, like the forehead, arm or wrist. If and when the body temperature rises above 100.4 degrees, the Neodot will within 2 seconds change its color from red to white. Below 97 degrees, the Neodot displays a healthy red color. It changes its color to light pink at 100 degrees and turns white at 101 degrees. So, now simply all those people with a Neodot that's red in color can directly walk into any corporate or building premises, and perhaps even public spaces like airports, malls, railway stations and more. If somebody develops a temperature anytime during the day, it will be instantly visible. Each Neodot can be worn for about 1 to 2 days. It is easy to stick and remove, is water resistant and gives 100% accurate detection. It can be applied and peeled off like a simple bindi. And it's very affordable. Neodot is the need of the hour. It is an amazingly effective tool in constant screening of temperature of employees in corporate buildings as well as, perhaps, public spaces to mitigate risks of the COVID infection spread. Join the human-friendly revolution to save the world. Neodot is brought to you by a team of extremely experienced professionals with a slew of global awards and international patents in the medical care domain. Neodot, the quick, accurate and safe temperature detection body patch.